Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change Facebook profile to a digital creator. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and you need to search for Facebook. And you need to update Facebook application. As you can see, my Facebook is up to date. Then you need to go back. Open Facebook application, click on Profile Picture on the top right, and scroll down and click on Help and Support. Then you need to click on Help Center. Here, you need to search for Digital Creator. Click on that and scroll down here. Here you see Option Access Creator Support from Facebook. Click on that. And here you can see this feature is only available to some people right now. Click on No and click on Other. And here you need to mention to the Facebook team that this feature is not available to me. Kindly help me get this feature and then click on Submit. Then the Facebook team will contact you in 24 to 48 hours and help you get this feature. So I hope you'll find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.